Good morning, dear students. Yashaswini, Priyanka, good morning. I am audible, dear students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so welcome to analysis and design of algorithms. So today we'll continue our discussion on what we have made in the previous class. That is, we have solved the minimum spanning tree, isn't it? So the minimum spanning tree using Kruskal's method. So the same method we can solve in the previous class. What we have done, we have used a technique by which we have identified a edge in a given graph with the lowest cost. Then we started to add one by one edge so that we can form a minimum spanning tree. If a given tree it creates a loop or a cycle, we can discard it. So all these things we have made discussions on our previous class. So the same Kruskal problem can be also solved in a tabular method. So how this Kruskal problems can be solved by using another method, that is tabular method. Today I am going to discuss. Okay, I am going to give the information about this. Okay, so before this you have to take a problem. So I am going to solve this problem on the board. So before that I am going to dictate the problem. Please take the problem. Take the problem. Find the minimum spanning tree, Bakole. Find the minimum spanning tree using Kruskal's algorithm. Find the minimum spanning tree using Kruskal's algorithm. So this is the graph. I'm going to write the graph now. Okay, the problem is find the minimum spanning Kruskal's algorithm. Okay. And particularly tabular method. Okay, so find the minimum spanning tree using Kruskal's algorithm. And particularly the technique what we are going to follow here is tabular method. So the graph I'm going to draw the graph here. this is the graph. Graph ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next solution. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Solution. Graph ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? Everyone have taken the graph? Graph ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So solution ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. First, let us arrange solution. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. First, let us arrange the edges. First, let us arrange the edges in non-increasing order. Non-increasing ಅಂದ್ರೆ decreasing ಅಂತ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. In increasing order of weights ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Non-increasing ಬೇಡ. In increasing order of weights. Weights ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. So these are the weights which are placed on the edges. Okay. So in the increasing order of weights, as shown below. As shown below. So now you got the table written. So see here. So this is the edge and this is cos. ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಒಂದು ಎಡ್ಜ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. Identify the edge which contains lowest value. ಯಾವುದು? Which one? Which edge contains the lowest value?
2.
So what is the edge? 6 to 7.
6 to
7. Okay, Sarina? Next. Next heading.
Four, sir.
Okay, 4. 5 to 6 ಇದೆ, 2 to 8 ಇದೆ. So 2 to 8 ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. 2 to 8. 2 to 8 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 5 to 6. Next one.
8.
8, that is 0 to 1. Next one. 2 to 5 also 8 though. 2 to 5. Next.
14.
6 to 8. 12 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ? 6 to 8. to 8. Next. Next. 2 to 3. ಎಷ್ಟು? 14. Next. Next.
Sir, 7 to 8, 14.
7 to 8 ಕೂಡ 14. Very good. Next.
Zero to 7, 16.
0 to 7. 0 to 7, 16.
1 to 2, 16.
1 to 2, 16. Very good. ಆಮೇಲೆ
18, sir. 3 to 4.
4, 18. Next.
20, sir.
3 to 4, 18. 4 to 5, 20. 4 to 5, 20. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 to 1 to 7. 1 to 7 ಎಷ್ಟು? 22. Next to last
3 to 5, 28.
3 to 5, 28. Very good. So this completes all the edges with increasing order of weights or cost. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ so that I can run this. Over.
Yes, sir.
Shadaram, dear students, understand me?
Okay, sir.
ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The solution to the above problem can be represented in the form of table. As shown below. ಸೊ ನಾನೀಗ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. How many vertices are there? Totally, how many vertices are present? Graph ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು vertices ಇದೆ? How many vertices are present? Totally 9 vertices are present. So S of 0 to S of 8. Yes, dear students, there are 9 vertices present. Yes or no? ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? Yes, students. I am audible.
Yes, sir.
So totally graph ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು vertices ಇದೆ?
9, sir.
So that is why ನೋಡಿ S of 0 ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. S of 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0th vertex. S of 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ first vertex, second vertex, third, fourth, fifth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Okay. So steps, initial step. Starting ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ initial ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Initial step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಲೀಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So nothing will happen. So S of 0 is 0. S of 1 is 1. S of 2 is ಹೇಳಿ. S of 2 is 2. S of 3 is 3. S of 4 is 4. S of 5 is 5. S of 6 is 6. S of 7 is 7. S of 8 is 8. Perfect. This is the first step. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರನಪ್ಪ? Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ S of 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ನೇ. S of 1 means 1, S of 2 is 2, S of 3 is 3, S of 4 is 4, S of 5 is 5, S of 6 is 6, 7, 8 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1 ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ. Which is the edge which contains lowest cost? ಈಗ ಟೇಬಲ್
6 to 7.
Very good. So 6, 7. U, V. So U is 6, V is 7. ಸರಿನಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ?
Yes, sir.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ I ಮತ್ತೆ J ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. I is equals to find of U. So find of U. U ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 6. ನೋಡಿ 6 ಇನ ರೂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? What is the root of 6? So this is 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6. Okay. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ J ಬನ್ನಿ. J ಗೆ find of V ಅಂದ್ರೆ find of 7. So 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ?
7.
7. ಓಕೆ. UV ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. 6, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ I, J. I is 6, 7 and J is 7. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6th ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ 7th ಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೆ, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೋಡಿ ಹಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬಂತಾ? ಎಸ್, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬಂತೇನಪ್ಪ? ನಾನು ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎರಡು. ಹಲೋ, yes students, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನೋ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? Yes students, I am audible. Yes students, am I audible or not? Hello? Yes students, I am audible. Yes students, I am audible or not? Dear students, I am audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So union ಮತ್ತೆ find function ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು previous classes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, just go through it, okay? Will you remember at least find union ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಸಿದೆ? Yes? Yes or no, at least you tell me. ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ನೋ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾನು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್? Dear students, I am asking you something. Shall I continue? Dear students, kindly reply to my queries. I am asking you something. Shall I continue? I am asking you. No, I am audible or not, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So union means we have to place the value of the sixth, that is 6 in place of
7.
Very good. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ 0 ಅಂತಲ್ಲಿ 0 ನ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 1 ಗೆ 1 ನೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, 2 ಗೆ 2 ನೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, 3 ಗೆ 3 ನೇ, 4 ಗೆ 4 ನೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, 5 ಗೆ 5, 6 ಗೆ 6 ನೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. And in place of 7, I am going to merge the value of 6 in 7. So the 7th value becomes
6.
6. Very good. Okay, then 8 will be kept as it is. That's it. Okay, so this step is over. Next, step 2. Next, you identify the next least cost edge.
2 to 8, 5 to 6.
Okay, 2, 8. So now I is equals to find of u. U means 2. So what is the value of 2 here?
2.
2. So I becomes 2. J. That is find of 8. What is the right 8 value here?
8.
8. So next you copy paste it here. 2 comma 8. Now, so in place of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Now, in place of 8, I have to write
2.
2. So this is the function of union. Next, identify the next least edge.
5 to 6.
5 to 6. That is 5 comma 6. Then see here, I is equals to find of 5. What is the value of 5?
5.
5.
5.
Then 6. What is the value of 6?
6.
6. Then you copy paste it here, 5 comma 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In place of 6, you have to replace the value of 5. What is that in 5? Here also
5.
5, 6, 2. Next, identify the next least cost edge. 0 comma
1.
0 comma 1. So now find is equals to find of 0. See, find of 0 is 0 and find of 1 is 1. Then 0 comma 1. Now in place of 0 I have to write 0. In place of 1 also I have to write
0.
0. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Next, fifth step. Next, identify the next edge.
2, 5.
2 comma 5. Very good. Then C. Find of 2. Find of 2. 2 is 2. Next, find of 5. That is
5.
5. So 2 comma 5. Then output is also 2 comma 5. 0, 0, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So in place of 5, I have to write in place of 5, I have to write
2.
2. Next, sixth step. Next is 6 comma 8. Isn't it? 6 comma 8. Okay, next. Find of u. Find of 6. The find of 6 is 2.
5.
But ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ 5 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರಿನಪ್ಪ.
Yes, sir.
ಈ 5 ಮತ್ತೆ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಇದೆ. ಈ 5 ಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು?
2.
2. ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಬನ್ನಿ. 2 ಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು?
2, sir.
2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾರು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? Will you go further again?
No, sir.
So okay, it is 2. So that is root of 6 is 2. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 6 ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ find function is used to return the root. So 6 ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 6 ಇದೆ. S of 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದು 5. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೇ 5 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ this 5 is also present here. And when you go down at the last step for the 5, you have 2. Then this 2 is also present here. So once again you come back, and when you go down, once again you are going to get the 2. And still it is the end. There is no further roots. Okay, so that is why root of 6 is 2. Can you tell me root of 8?
2, sir.
Okay, fine. 8 ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. Once again 2 ಬನ್ನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ನೇ ಇದೆ. Okay. ನೋಡಿ, when I and j, both of them having same value, it means it is going to create a loop. Hence, we are going to discard, and we are going to retain the previous values as it is. That is 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 2. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I ಮತ್ತೆ j ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಲೂಪ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Got it? Yes. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Next, identify the next least edge. Next edge.
2, 3.
Okay, 2, 3 is the next step. 7th step, 2, 3. Now identify the root for 2. For 3. 3 is 3.
3.
Okay, copy paste 2, 3 here. So 0, 0, 2. Here, in case of 3, we have to write. Here,
2.
So 2 we have to write. So 4, 2, 5, 6. Next, go to the 8th step. Identify the next edge.
7, 8.
7, 8. Then, what is the root of 7? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Root of 7.
6.
6. But 6 is also present here. So go down. What you are going to get here? 5. 5 is also
5.
present here. Go down. You are going to get 2.
2, sir.
Then we are going to 7. So this is the 2 is the root of 7. And what is the root of 8?
2, sir.
2. So I and j same now. So once again, discard because it is going to create a loop and keep the values as it is. So ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Next, 9th step, identify the next edge.
0, 7.
Okay, fine, 0, 7. So now, what is the root of 0?
0.
0, because 0, 0. And what is the root of 7?
2.
Yes, it is 2. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 7 ಗೆ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 6 ಗೆ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 5 ಗೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 2. So 0, 2. Copy paste 0, 7 here. So 0 will be here, 0, 2, 2, 4, 2. So this is 5. So in case of 6, I have to write. In place of 6, I have to write. Here I have to write. ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
0.
0, right? Next. 10th step, identify the next edge.
1, 2.
1, 2.
1, 2. Then, what is the root of 1? What is the root of
0, 0.
0? What is the root of 2?
2.
2.
Root of 2 is 0,7. Sorry, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? This is 6. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ 5, j ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? So this value becomes 0. So now you identify the root of 2. What is the root of 2? What is the root of 2?
0.
0. So I and j become same. So discard. So remaining values as it is 0, 0, 0, 2, 4, 2, 5, 6. Can you identify the next edge? Which is the last edge?
3, 4.
So 3, 4. Now identify the root of 3. It is 2. And when you go to 2, once again you are going to get. What is the root of 3?
0.
0. What is the root of 4? So this is 4. When you go down,
4.
4.
4 only. There is no any further values. So 4 only. So now 3, 4 as it is. So 0, 0, 0. So this is 3. That is 2. So this value has to be replaced at. So the value of 3, that is 2, has to be replaced at 4.
3.
This one also becomes 2. So that because 3, 4 means 3, second
0, sir.
union of 5, j. So 0, 4 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ what is the value of 0, 0? That has to be placed in 4. That is this one becomes 0. Okay. So 2, 5. So this completes the table. This will complete the table. Table ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ thus the spanning tree ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ given in 4th column. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. thus the minimum spanning tree ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4th column obtained is shown below. Obtained is shown below. Obtained is shown below. The table and side rub madla. Shall I rub this at the side? Can I rub here? Yes, friends.
Yes, sir.
So now you write the forest. Forest means whatever the vertices which are there in the graph, you have to write as it is. That is 1, 0, 7 1 0 7. Then again here we have 2 here. Then 3 and 4 we have. Three and 4. Then we have 6 and 5. So 3 plus 3. Totally 9 vertices. This is the forest. ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯಾವುದು?
6,7.
Okay, 6 to 7. What is it? What is the value of that? Is 2. Ask is 2. Next, 2 to 8. 2 to 8. What is the 8th value? 4. Then 5 to 6. What is the value? 4. Next, telling you. Next value 0 to 1. What is the value?
8.
8. Very good. Next to 2 to 5. So here 2 to 5. What is the value?
8.
8. Then 2 to next 2 to
2 to 3, 14.
2 to 3 14. Next 0 to next to cost ಎಷ್ಟು?
16.
16. Then 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Next to cost 3 to 4.
18.
18. Okay. But sorry, the cost of the spanning tree is the cost of the spanning tree is the cost of the spanning tree is the sum of the costs of the edges selected which is given by so sum of madi 8 plus 16 plus 2 plus 4 plus next to 8 plus 16 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 14 plus then plus 8 16 2 4 8 again 4 14 18. So totally how much? Total is to what is the total? How much? How much? Total ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಬೇಕಾ? You will need this much of time to sum up all these things.
70.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
70.
74 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. 8 plus 16 plus ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ.
74 sir.
74. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ 74 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes sir.
Okay, so this is how we can find out the. ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನಿಮಗೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರುಸ್ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್. I request all of you to give your attendance in the chat box. And this completes Kruskal's algorithm. Next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ Dijkstra's algorithm ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So if you have any queries, dear students, you can ask me. I request all of you to give the attendance in the chat box. Okay, then if you don't have any queries, shall we stop here? Shall we stop, dear students?
Yes sir.
Thank you so much for joining my session.